Space is full of mysteries that are stranger than science fiction. From planets made of diamonds to black holes that can slow down time, the universe is far more bizarre and fascinating than we ever imagined. What if I told you that there's a place where it rains molten glass sideways, or that the largest volcano in our solar system is 3 times the height of Mount Everest? In this video, we're diving into 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will completely change your perspective on the cosmos. Get ready, because reality is about to get a whole lot weirder. Today we will talk about 10 mind-blowing facts about space that will change your perspective. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Did you know that there's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways at thousands of miles per hour? Or that black holes can literally slow down time? The universe is full of mysteries that go beyond anything we could ever experience here on Earth. Even though humans have been exploring space for decades, we are still uncovering strange and unexpected facts about the cosmos every day. In this video, we're going to look at 10 of the most shocking, fascinating, and mind-blowing facts about space that will completely change the way you see the universe. Some of these are so strange that even scientists are struggling to understand them. Stick around until the very end, because the number one fact is something that could completely change what we know about reality. Let's begin. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. When we think of massive mountains or volcanoes, Mount Everest or Mauna Loa may come to mind. But the largest volcano in the entire solar system isn't on Earth. It's on Mars, and it's called Olympus Mons. Olympus Mons is 3 times the height of Mount Everest and is so large that if you stood at its base, you wouldn't even be able to see the summit because the curve of the planet would block your view. This massive volcano covers an area roughly the size of France and has a crater at the top that is wide enough to fit an entire city inside it. Because Mars doesn't have plate tectonics like Earth, lava was able to flow in the same location for millions of years, slowly building up this enormous structure. Some scientists believe that Olympus Mons might still be an active volcano, meaning it could erupt again in the future. 9. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of its size and composition, but in reality, it is one of the most hostile planets in our solar system. What makes it even stranger is the way time works on Venus. Venus has an extremely slow rotation. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to complete just one full spin on its axis. However, its orbit around the Sun is faster, taking only 225 Earth days to go around once. This means that a single day on Venus is actually longer than an entire year. To make things even more bizarre, Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most planets. If you could somehow stand on Venus, which would be impossible due to its extreme heat and toxic atmosphere, you would see the sun rise in the west and set in the east, the exact opposite of what happens on Earth. 8. There's a planet where it rains. Molten glass. Earth has some extreme weather, but nothing compares to what happens on the exoplanet HD 189733b, located about 64 light-years away. This planet is so close to its star that its atmosphere is made up of silicate particles, meaning that instead of water, it rains molten glass. The winds on this planet reach speeds of over 5,000 miles per hour, much faster than the speed of sound. Because of these intense winds, the glass rain doesn't fall straight down. It blows sideways at thousands of miles per hour. Imagine a storm where razor-sharp glass is flying horizontally at supersonic speeds. It is easily one of the most dangerous and terrifying planets ever discovered. 7. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Believe it or not, space contains alcohol, enough to make 400 trillion pints of beer. There is a massive cloud of alcohol floating near the center of the Milky Way galaxy, called Sagittarius B2. Before you start imagining an intergalactic brewery, there's a small problem. The alcohol in this cloud is methanol, which is toxic to humans. However, the discovery is fascinating because it shows that complex molecules can form naturally in space. Some scientists even believe that clouds like this could have played a role in bringing organic compounds to Earth, possibly helping to create life itself. 6. A neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube of it would weigh 1 billion tons. Neutron stars are the remnants of giant stars that exploded in supernovae. Even though they are only about 12 miles across, they are some of the densest objects in the universe. A single sugar cube-sized piece of a neutron star would weigh 1 billion tons. Star is so strong that if you dropped something just a few feet, it would hit the surface at nearly the speed of light. The pressure inside these stars is so extreme that atoms are crushed together, creating a dense soup of neutrons. Scientists are still trying to understand these strange objects, and some even believe that inside a neutron star, matter could exist in an unknown state that we have never seen before. 5. There's a planet made entirely of diamonds. Imagine an entire planet made of diamonds. Such a planet actually exists, and it's called 55 Cancri e. This planet is about twice the size of Earth, but has 8 times the mass. Its surface is covered in pure crystallized carbon, which scientists believe is solid diamond. Because the planet is so close to its star, temperatures reach over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which causes the carbon to crystallize into diamond. If humans could somehow mine just a small portion of this planet, it would make everyone on Earth a trillionaire. 4. Black holes can slow down time. Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in space. Their gravity is so strong that they can bend space and time itself. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the closer you get to a black hole, the more time slows down. If you were to orbit near a black hole for a few minutes and then return to Earth, you might find that hundreds or even thousands of years had passed. This effect is called time dilation, and it means that near a black hole, time almost freezes. Scientists believe that if we ever figure out how to survive near a black hole, we could potentially use this effect for time travel. 3. The universe might be infinite. One of the biggest mysteries in science is whether the universe has an edge. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across, but what's beyond that? Some theories suggest that the universe is infinite, while others propose that it loops back on itself like a giant sphere. Scientists are still trying to figure out whether space goes on forever, or if there's some kind of boundary we just can't see yet. Whatever the answer is, it would change everything we know about the cosmos. 2. The dark matter. Mystery. Most of the universe is made up of something we can't even see. Scientists call it dark matter, and it makes up about 85% of all the mass in the universe. The problem is, we have no idea what it is. Dark matter doesn't emit light, doesn't interact with normal matter, and can't be detected with any instruments we currently have. We only know it exists because of its gravitational effects on galaxies. If dark matter didn't exist, galaxies would fly apart. Scientists are still searching for answers, but for now, dark matter remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in physics. 1. The universe shouldn't exist. According to the laws of physics, the universe shouldn't even exist. When the Big Bang happened, it should have created equal amounts of matter and antimatter, which would have immediately annihilated each other, leaving behind nothing. But for some reason, there was slightly more matter than antimatter, which allowed the universe to form. Scientists have no explanation for why this imbalance happened. If we ever find the answer, it could unlock the deepest secrets of existence itself. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.